Today, let's talk about the kind of niche you should choose on Facebook, or should we say the kind of content you should choose to create on Facebook if you are looking to go viral. Because Facebook and YouTube, they are not the same. They are not. So don't let anyone deceive you. YouTube is owned by Google. So it's affiliate to Google. So YouTube is where people come to look for solution. For example, I want to learn how to make hair. I can quickly go to YouTube and search how to make woman hair. You will see dozens of videos that will teach me how to make that hair without going to learn in a hair store or a salon. Let's say how to repair laptop, how to fix laptop battery, how to code, how to do this, how to create a Facebook page. When you go to YouTube, you see all these things there. So it's a solution grant. And Facebook, YouTube is not a social media. YouTube is a search engine where you search what you want and it come out for you. So if you are willing to go to YouTube, you should know what you are going there to do. Let's say you want to watch a movie now. You want to watch a long movie, any type of movie. You go to YouTube, you type any kind of movie, you will see them. Why Facebook is a playground where people come and catch fun. Everyone who just logged into Facebook will be scrolling pictures. Wow, I love this picture. You see content, before you know, you finish watching the content. So the kind of content people should create on Facebook and YouTube should not be the same. So if you are into comedy niche, you can also do well in YouTube. You see, this is if YouTube accept comedy, movie, short skits, and also welcome tutorials. But Facebook, anything financial niche on Facebook is hard to go viral. Just like this page you are watching. It's difficult to see a financial niche on Facebook to get millions of views unless the person has been here for a long time. So I think Facebook should look into this search engine. Sometimes they mistakenly flag your page because they are not used to this kind of content. Doing crypto niche here is hardly for you to get views. I understand that crypto niche is recommended as a very high risk niche that can put your page or channel at risk at any given time. If you don't give a good value, if your niche is not well educational, your page or your channel might be banned. So if you are choosing a niche on Facebook, my dear, you must be a comedian. You must know how to do family series like, lifestyle, vlog, show up by yourself, when you go around, when you go to market, you buy something, you go out there, you're traveling. So these are the kind of things that Facebook can push quick. You are into comedy, you know, before you know what's going, you are having thousands of followers and views. This is what Facebook wants. For now, you can go into financial niche, but you cannot get the kind of view you want to get. But remember, financial niche is a very high paying niche. Health niche is a very high paying niche. The reason is this: advertisers pay higher because anything that do with finance, it has to do with trust. So before advertisers will place ads on your video, they will pay heavily because they know that anything finance, people are scared of it. The same thing goes with health, fitness, recipe, vlogging. I think the lowest pay niche is comedy. That is the highest overviewed niche. But one thing is that you can view comedy niche right now. Within 3 days, the thing went viral. It goes off there. You know, nobody watches again. But you see, financial niche it will be there. I think my next video will talk about evergreen niches, evergreen videos. All right. So, guys, if you have gotten value from this video, please, you guys are not sharing my video. I don't think it's good. It's not good. Hope you like it. Like the way I look. So share my video. Otherwise, keep seeing me with this. This be my costume for this particular page. Anytime you see my face, you see me with this. And you see me sitting down here, you know, relaxing. I'll be talking to you people so that I don't want anyone to make a mistake. So if you have any question, just feel free. Ask me any question at all. I'm here to answer everybody. Thank you guys once again. Bye.